Hey guys, this is Unconventional Farmer. Okay, so I'm making a video today. I don't know how many other people out there that are starting their own garden have this problem, but hold on, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is the bag right here. This is the bag that the Baker Creek seeds came in that I purchased. And all of my seeds and other seeds that I purchased, they're inside this bag. I have no way of organizing yet. This is my first time growing vegetables from seeds. So I've just been going crazy buying a whole bunch of seeds. All of these seeds from all different places, from Tractor Supply and from the dollar store and from online. So now I'm like overwhelmed by seed packets. And I have no clue like how to organize it. So I decided to go online on Amazon and I got this. It says 100 pack. Let's see if you can see it. So these are 4x6 Ziploc bags. So I figured 4x6 is good because when it comes to organizing these seeds, I think what I'm going to do is put them all in a photo book because I know photo albums are typically like a 4x6 size. So I figured that'd be perfect because these are 4x6 and it should be able to fit inside of a photo album. And then that way I could keep them all organized and they could look nice and pretty. I want to be able to see the picture and the name of the seed. So let me show you. So we have this, the 4x6 Ziploc bag, and then we have this. The reason why I decided to buy these zip bags is because of this. Right there. That little thing right here, it locks tight. I like that it snaps closed. So then that way, if any of the seed packets were to open, like how this one refuses to close now, that just does not close, I don't have to worry about it. They'll just fall right inside this little packet and it'll keep them contained. So this one is going in here. So how do you guys organize your seeds? Maybe there's some other ways that I'm not familiar with that, I'd love to learn other ways. If you have any other ideas, you could just let me know in the comment section down below. So here we go. It's going in here. This is so easy. I'm really liking this. I don't know if it's waterproof, but I think it could be waterproof because that seal is a really like strong seal. See, it holds it really good. And it's a real durable type of plastic too. See, look, when I pull on it, it's not ripping at all. Even when I try and like rip it a little bit, it doesn't budge. Alright, so if you guys are interested in buying these Ziploc bags, I'll make sure to put the link down below. So then that way you could check out the place I bought them from on Amazon. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.